Rick works as an office assistant for TechPerfect Incorporated. The company has a Windows-based network. Rick has to perform the following tasks: summarize large amounts of data, analyze numeric data, answer unexpected questions about data. Which of the following actions will Rick take to accomplish the task? Option A. He will create the accounting template. Option B. He will use standalone slicers. Option C. He will create a pivot table report. Option D. He will configure form controls. The correct answer is option C. You work as an office assistant for TechPerfect Incorporated. The company has a Windows-based network. You are creating a business report by using Microsoft Excel. Option C. You have arranged sales data as shown below image. You want to provide pictorial representation of the trend of the sales data in front of each row. Which of the following actions will you take to accomplish the task with the least amount of administrative burden? Option A. Use standalone slicers. Option B. Configure form controls. Option C. Create spark lines. Option D. Create a pivot table report. The correct answer is option C. Rick works as an office assistant for TechPerfect Incorporated. He is creating a user form through Microsoft Excel. Option C. While creating forms for a number of users, he is required to repeat some of the actions multiple times. It is a very time-consuming process. To resolve this issue, he wants to record the sequence of actions to perform a certain task and to play them back in the same order. Which of the following actions will Rick take to accomplish the task? Option A. He will use the Trust Center bar. Option B. He will use the Evaluate Formula tool. Option C. He will put the workbook in a trusted location. Option D. He will create and run a macro. The correct answer is option D. You work as an office assistant for MediaPerfect Incorporated. You have created a spreadsheet in Excel and shared it with the other employees of the company. You select the Encrypt with Password option as a protection measure for the document you are sharing. Now, you have to specify a password in the password box, and the Encrypt document dialog box appeared for editing the document. But you have forgotten the password. What will happen in this situation? Option A. You will use a new password. Option B. You will ask Microsoft to retrieve the password. Option C. You will fetch the password from the list in which you have saved it. Option D. You will create a new document. The correct answer is option C.